Amazon Flex App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how gig work apps have evolved in 2025. Amazon Flex promises flexible hours, decent pay, and easy delivery management, but is it really worth signing up? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming delivery apps are all the same. With Amazon Flex, drivers can choose delivery blocks that fit their schedules, offering unmatched control over work hours. One major advantage is simplicity. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app handles route planning, customer notifications, and payment tracking seamlessly. Drivers are paid twice a week, and tips are automatically included in earnings. The app also provides clear instructions for pickup and delivery, including scanning packages and verifying customer details, making the process smooth even for first-time drivers. Safety features include vehicle insurance requirements and in-app emergency support. However, there are cons. Pay can vary based on location and demand, and peak periods may require longer hours to maximize earnings. Drivers must supply their own vehicles and cover gas and maintenance costs, which can reduce net income. In conclusion, Amazon Flex in 2025 is ideal for those seeking flexible side income with a reliable platform and clear guidance. While variable pay and vehicle costs are considerations, the combination of flexible scheduling, straightforward delivery management, and consistent payouts makes it a strong choice for gig workers.